Top 5 exercises you can do for free. Your legs, stomach, and lower back will gain great strength. Your upper legs and glutes will soon feel the benefits. Your core, back, and shoulders will soon start to feel stronger. For the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Not everybody's favorite, but the reason they work so well is lifting your own body weight is the perfect weight for your body to actually lift. Your biceps, triceps, forearms, wrists, shoulders, and core. For the same reason as before. All these are free and can be done anywhere at home.